Welcome to the second session of the Olympic Games. Many hundred years later, in 1896, a young Frenchman named Baron Pierre de Coubertin started the modern Olympic Games. He wanted people from all over the world to come together and compete in a friendly spirit. When did the modern Olympic Games started? The modern Olympic Games started in 1896. Who started them? A young Frenchman named Baron Pierre de Coubertin started. When or what country did he belong to? He belongs to the country France. Let's read paragraph number 5. The Olympic Games are held once in every 4 years. The Olympic symbol with 5 rings stand for the unity of 5 continents. The 5 rings stand for the unity of 5 continents: Europe, Africa, America, Asia, and Australia. At least one of the colors of the rings, blue, black, red, yellow, green, appears in the flag of each country that takes part. At least one of the each colors of the rings, blue, black, red, yellow, and green, appears in the flag of each country that takes part. The Olympic motto is Citius Altius Fortius, a Latin expression meaning faster, higher, and stronger. See last line of paragraph number 5. Coubertin felt it described the aim of great athletes all over the world. Let's see question number 5, 6, 7, 8 answer. Question number 5. At what intervals are the Olympic Games held? The Olympic Games are held once in every 4 years. How many rings are there in Olympic symbols? There are 5 rings in Olympic symbol. What do the 5 rings stand for? The 5 rings stand for the 5 continents in the world. Question number 8. What are the colors of the rings? The colors of the rings are blue, black, red, yellow, and green. Let's read paragraph number 6. Weeks before a games begin, a woman dressed in Greek robes lights the Olympic torch in Olympia Valley in Greece. Many participants take turns with the torch through the different countries. Who lights the Olympic torch and where? A woman dressed in Greek robes lights the Olympic torch. She lights it in the valley of Olympia in Greece. Who took turns with the Olympic torch through the different countries? Many participants took turns with the Olympic torch through the different countries. The final runner carries it to the stadium just before the games begin. The Olympic flame is then kept burning until the games close. The flame is put out means extinguish. The Olympic flame is put out at the closing ceremony. It is the time for the athletes to return home. Put out is a phrasal verb. Here are some more phrasal verbs using put. It will help you in the workbook exercise 4. Here 13 to 18. All the question answers are in your paragraph number 6. See question number 13. How long is the Olympic torch kept burning? The Olympic torch is kept burning until the games are over. When is the flame put out? Question number 14. Answer is the flame is put out at the closing ceremony. Question number 15. When do the participants return home? After the Olympic flame is put out means extinguish. After the Olympic flame is put out, the participants return home. What do the winner participants think about? Let's read paragraph number 6. There are some winners and many losers. They think about the hard work and training that they had to do to come to the games. And many of them feel happy that although they did not win, they had the chance to compete with the best players in the field. Perhaps they also remember the wonderful advice of Baron de Coubertin gave. His message to the Olympic participants was, the most important thing is the Olympic Games is not to win but to participate. Here are some opposite words: win, loss, remember, forget, against, for. Match A with B, page number 58. In column A, there are some adjectives. In column B, there are some nouns: hard work, deep trouble, good advice, strong feeling, main idea, heavy traffic. Look at page number 60, question answer number 9 and 10. What do the winner participants think about? The winner participants think that the hard work and training that they had to do to come to the games. What is the most important thing about the Olympic Games? Whose message is it? For whom? The most important thing about the Olympic Games is not to win but to participate. It is the message of Baron Pierre de Coubertin for the Olympic participants. I hope you understand the lesson well. Try to write down all the question answers and remember,